So here we are checking in today at ITC Mughal. The room is sanitized and sealed for your safety. Alright, let us get inside and see what all amenities are there. Okay, so here you have the baggage drop area or some extra stuff if you're carrying. Yeah, this is a little properties, heritage properties. So then you have mirrors over here. So let us see what all amenities are there. There they have the iron table, hangers, the laundry bag area, the locker area you have, and let us check the washroom, which is one of the important one. So the dryer you are carrying, let us see what all toiletries they are using. They are using Fiamma toiletries. Okay, that's good. Okay, the towels and this bathtub. So this is the base category room they have, and over here now they are removing the bathtubs. Alright, so let us see what else is there. So then we have the weighing machine. Alright, tea coffee maker, this LED, then you have the business table or the study table, and this is the best actually. So if you are sending someone who is with a family, I think for kids it is going to be good. They will enjoy this bed with a view, courtyard view. Alright, and let me just show you the bed and then I'll take you to the next room. So here's a bed. So it's not a very luxury kind of property if you are expecting something, but yes, a good heritage property with no elevators, silence, and nice hospitality. So it is good. All right, thank you.